What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are going to the recycling center. Hopefully they are open today. I don't know if you guys have seen the video. They tend to be closed on the days that they're supposed to be open, and they're not even open every day. Where they do that at, they do that here. So we're going to work out today as well. Hopefully that goes well. Which it should. It's gonna be my first day back. Today is the 30th of December, so it's like 2 days before the new year. And yeah, I'm just trying to have momentum going into the new year, which I'm gonna give that advice to all of you. You can take it, you don't have to take it. If you have something to do, just do it. Like, I'm literally done with myself and accepting others not just doing what the fuck they need to do. Like, I don't know, like, I can't accept it with myself, so it's hard to tolerate it with other people. I can understand certain circumstances that hinder people from doing what they want and need to be doing. That's totally understandable, but a lot of the times we are more than capable of doing what is required of us, and yeah, we just choose not to. So I'm saying all that to say I am going to start my workout journey early, and gonna move through the new year working out more, actually staying on top of it. Things have gotten better with family, so I should be able to do so, and it's continually getting better. So as you guys know, my mom had her surgery, which I should have continued that video, but I didn't. I might have something else to go along with it. It might be a little bit after this video, but I'm gonna try to come up with something to express gratitude and just how I've been feeling these last few years. I don't know who just honked at me. That's an issue. I don't know what anybody drives anymore, and nor do I care at the same time. Because I don't know. I just be waving and honking at other people who honk at me, which that time I didn't, because I was like, I don't know what that was towards me. But anyway, heading out here, gonna drop this stuff off, and yeah, let's at least see if they're open. That's gonna piss me off if they're not. I'm kinda getting a headache. Bruh, they're fucking closed. And somebody else is driving through there too. Like, what the fuck? Oh my gosh. And you know, they need to just have a drop-off section. I know people would abuse it, don't get me wrong, and like drop trash that shouldn't be dropped off, but they need something like that, because what the fuck, like, you guys aren't open. And it might be because New Year's is this weekend, or Monday. New Year's Day is Monday, but still, this doesn't negate the fact that, like, okay, that we are closed for the holiday. See you Tuesday, Thursday. So I guess they'll be back on Tuesday. We'll see if they're actually fucking open. Alright, I guess let's go to the gym with all this trash in my fucking car again. Actually, bruh. I think I'm about to go run this to the shed, because I'm not about to drive around with all this stuff. I'm just not. So I'm gonna get back with you guys once I get back from the shed. All right, I'll get back. This time I'm mistaken. Before then I knew a heart was breaking. I've been wrong, I've been down to the bottom of every bottle. All right, they've changed it in here. Matter of fact, this used to be carpeted. They've actually changed the floors too. They used to be a lot darker. All right, guys, so that workout was pretty good. And like I said, it it was nice to get a workout in. It felt so good. It feels so good now. My back and I think it's my sciatic nerve has been really messing up. Of course, you know, that could be due to a lot of things. I've been doing a lot of labor intensive work. Not a lot, but enough to where like my body's not used to it. I need to start stretching more. I used to do yoga all the time. I need to get back to that because I'm getting older and I need to make sure my muscles are prepared for whatever the day holds. So now I'm starting to stretch every morning and every night. And that's just a good thing to just do. It doesn't really matter what age you are. You can injure yourself at any point, but stretching is a good thing to do. Because even when we're sleeping, we're resting, but our body is still in a state of like work. So stretching to go to sleep is not a bad idea. People typically do stretch when they get up, you know, when you yawn and then you just kind of reach up to the sky. But you should really be taking time out of your day to just do some stretching, yoga, or whatever it might be. But like I said, today was a pretty good day. I wanted to start working out before the new year. Everyone starts a New Year's resolution to lose weight, to work out, whatever. Just start it. I'm really realizing you don't need to wait for a certain date to do anything. Go ahead and get prepared, get started, start doing it. You don't have to go as hard. Maybe start going to the gym, get familiar with the layout of the gym that you want to go to. And then maybe start your training with a trainer on the new year. I don't know. But either way, just get the momentum and the drive going. That way you're already moving into the new year with positivity and just moving into the new year already doing what you say you're going to be doing in the new year. Like, why not start now? Just start doing it. You got to do what's required. You can't half-ass shit. Like, I'm really starting to realize that. Like, you just can't. You do it right the first fucking time, bro. Like, do it right the first time and you ain't got to worry about it. And if you do have to worry about it, at least you know you did it right. Something else is going to have to be done. When you don't do things right, there's so many multitude of things that could have went wrong. It's like you pointing here, you're pointing there, but really, did you even do it right the first time? Like, I don't know. Like, I gotta expect this of myself, respect this of myself at the same time too. And that's where I'm going back for what I said earlier. Like, I have to respect myself, you know, and I'm gonna respect myself and then respect others. Like, I have to have the utmost respect for myself. And that's just point blank, period. I have to. So anyway, we are about to go home. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do today. We're supposed to be hanging out with some friends later on. I don't know if I'm gonna film that. We'll see what happens. I'll take you guys along with much as I can. I was gonna make a recipe today. I think I might skip out on that too. Because it's gonna be a little intensive and I need to wash my hair. I need to take a shower. I just don't know if I'm gonna have the time to do it, but I might, and you guys might see it. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna sign off for right now. This might be the end of the video because it literally could just be the gym and that'd be perfectly fine with me. But otherwise, I'll get back with you guys. And if I don't get back with you guys, Happy New Year. Enjoy every bit of every day that you are blessed and able to wake up and have freedom. I don't care what your situation is. There's so much that could be going on. And I know it's all subjective. Like, things could be worse for anybody. But you woke up to fight another day. Fight the fucking day. Fight it. There's always going to be shit coming towards you. And I'm realizing that. But if you respect yourself enough to get up, can't shit block you. Can't shit block you. And that's just the truth. There's a lot of things it's going to try. But once it succeeds, it's typically because you let it. Typically because you let it. Even if it's something that's you can't change. Don't let it block you. Don't let it. Live your life. It's one hell of an experience. Let's enjoy it.